Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will guide you through the process of place of supply-wise tax validation while generating GSTR1 in Logic ERP. Let's get started. Head to the GST Returns module and select GSTR1 as the return type. Choose the relevant time for which you want to generate the return, and then click on the Generate button. Upon generating the return, the system displays an invalid data error. Let's check the reason behind it. In the Export section, you can see a red flag next to the entry, indicating that the data for this party is incorrect or incomplete. The error message clearly states, CGST SGST tax is not allowed in export entries, only IGST is allowed. In the GSTR error details section, you can review the specific reason or cause of the invalid data. As shown, there is a place of supply wise tax validation issue in one of the export invoices, and the corresponding GST error description is available for reference. To resolve this issue, go to the Export section. From this screen, you can directly open the export bill by clicking on the invoice number. Once the sale bill opens, change the tax region from CGST SGST to IGST and proceed to save the bill. As observed, the Save button appears locked for security reasons. To unlock it, turn off the num lock key on your keyboard and press Alt plus Insert. Once the Save button is unlocked, save the bill and refresh the GST returns screen by closing this window and regenerating GSTR1. In the Export section, the previously displayed red flag has now turned green, indicating that the POS-wise tax validation issue has been successfully resolved. In the GSTR error details section, earlier POS-wise tax validation error for one export bill has now turned to 0, confirming that the issue has been fully corrected. You can also configure the tax region as IGST by default for the relevant export party in the account master, ensuring that such errors are prevented in the future. Let's take a quick look at how this can be done. Go to Setup New Account, select the relevant party account. Set the tax region to IGST and save the changes. Returning to the GST returns screen. Now you can upload this data to an Excel file or generate a JSON file. Let's create an Excel file. Simply click on Upload. The data has now been successfully exported to an Excel file. Next, open the GST Offline tool and upload this Excel file. Enter the required details and click Proceed. Then, select Import Excel and choose the file we just created, and click on Yes to save the data. The return details have been successfully added. You can now view the summary, and finally, generate the file by clicking on Generate File button.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.